Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the radiator on Audi A4. That's a B6 model. So it's the same from 2002 until 2005-6. That's a 1.8 turbo engine. But I think it's almost the same for all of them. So what you need to do, you need to remove the bumper and the condenser first. Click on the video to watch to see how to do that. And next, right here, we have one bolt, okay, right there, that we need to take with an Allen wrench. I think it's a 5 Allen wrench. That's for the automatic transmission. That's the bottom line. So you need to take it off. Okay, that's the bolt, and you need to pull it to the back. Top right side, right there. That's for the top line that's coming from the transmission. With an Allen wrench again, the same socket. We need to remove that bolt that holds the bracket. That's the bracket that holds the line to the radiator. Okay, so we're ready with this one now. Check. And now with a flat screwdriver you need to get there and kind of like pry it open. You need to do the same thing for the bottom line as well. Okay, and the bottom line came loose. You need something to collect all the oil from the transmission. And as you can see, the transmission oil will need to be replaced soon. How black it is, we will have a video on our channel how to do that also. Now we need to go to the left side, the passenger side, and we need to take that bolt with a T30 socket. So the power steering cooler lines, they get loose. And now we need to remove the coolant hoses, the antifreeze hoses. So we have one right here on top. Let me get a good view. This one. How we gonna do that? We need to get a screwdriver and lift the spring, kind of like you see halfway like that, and then pull it. Sometimes they get to stand stuck. Okay, this one came out easy. And now we have one more on the bottom. For the bottom one, you can access the spring from right here. Okay, and you lift it up with a screwdriver. You get a long screwdriver, and okay, you lift it up like that. Okay, now you can get something long and push on the plastic part of the hose. This one I have the feeling that it will be stuck pretty good. And make sure that you have a container underneath it, because you're gonna make a mess. Coolant will leak out unless you emptied the system already. And now right there, you just pull it out. Okay, we remove the hoses. Now this thing right here, you need to push in. First, like you need to get a small screwdriver like that and pull up with a knife. It comes right out. There is one on the left, one on the right side. You see, like that. And now you can move the radiator to the front and pull it out of there. So that's the procedure for removing and replacing the radiator on Audi A4 B6. Thank you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.